The RAV4 anti-theft system is a curious little bundle of tech hiding inside your car. It's meant to keep your vehicle safe from would-be thieves, but the way it actually works can be an unsolved mystery for a lot of owners. You lock your RAV4 with the key fob, and if anyone tries to open it without the right signal, alarm bells are supposed to start blaring. But ask 10 drivers, and at least 3 will admit they aren't totally sure their alarm would even scare a pigeon. One low-key source of stress for RAV4 owners is that sometimes the anti-theft system feels more like an anti-owner system. You walk up, try to unlock your own car, and it suddenly thinks you're a villain. Why does it always pick the worst timing? It isn't just about the siren either. Toyota hides an immobilizer chip in the key. If a thief tries to hotwire your car without the coded key nearby, the engine says, "Nope, not today." Statistically, over 90% of car thieves skip vehicles with immobilizers. There's a red light on the dash that blinks when the anti-theft system is armed. If your RAV4 isn't starting and that light is solid or flashing weirdly, chances are good it's not a mechanical failure. It's the system blocking you. I've seen this plenty with friends in Portland winters. If your only key gets damaged or lost, the anti-theft module is extra stubborn. So owning 2 keys isn't just a being prepared thing. It's the difference between driving home and paying a big bill for a reprogramming session, which can run over $400. Here's a step-by-step to calm the system down if it locks you out. Step 1. Unlock from the driver's side using the physical key. Yes, it takes actual effort. Step 2. Insert the key in the ignition, turn it to on, and wait for the indicators to settle down. If the alarm just will not quit and your neighbors are about to call the cops, try this. With the key in the ignition, keep the driver door open and cycle the key from off to on 3 times. This often resets the frenzy, like hitting Control-Alt-Del for your car. When you park in sketchy places, even just downtown here in Portland, always double-check the door's lock with the fob. A lot of RAV4 thefts are just someone pulling the handle and finding a door that never quite clicked shut. That minor user error accounts for about 60% of break-ins. Don't forget, aftermarket add-ons can trip up the factory system. If you've added a remote start or new stereo, test the alarm and locks before trusting them. About 1 in 5 people I know with RAV4s have had their upgrades play a prank on their anti-theft. Pro tip: if you're running errands and dash out of your car with the engine running, the anti-theft won't help you if someone hops in and takes it. Always turn off and lock. Statistically, idling thefts spike every winter, especially when it's cold and we're just running in for a second. Toyota's system isn't impenetrable, but it does force thieves to work harder and increases the odds they'll move on to an easier target. Ironically, for all its quirks, the RAV4 anti-theft system does its most important job, making your car less appealing to steal.